Hi everyone, my name is Romy and today I will talk about my suitcase for my trip next week. We are going to the Maldives. I'm so excited. I decided to pack my suitcase early and show you what I'm bringing to the Maldives. The first most important thing to bring on your trip is your passport. Don't ever forget your passport. The second most important thing is money, because with money you can buy anything you forget. So if you forget something, you have money, you can buy it. The third most important thing is either a phone or a camera or a drone or something similar like that. I always like to bring my GoPro Hero 6 for filming underwater and action activities. And with the camera I got a little suitcase from GoPro in which I can keep the batteries, the accessories, SD card adapter and stuff like that. I also will be bringing my new drone, the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, which came out last week. So I always like to bring sunscreen from Australian Gold because it smells really nice and it has an instant bronzer, so when you apply it on your skin you already get a little bit tanned. Don't forget your sunglasses. I always love to bring my Burberry sunglasses on such a fabulous trip. Well, don't forget to bring your bikini to swim and lay in the sun and stuff. Earpods or AirPods, because you can listen to music when you lie on the beach and just relax, or you can read a good book. Also important, you don't need to bring any shoes when you go to the Maldives. You can do anything on bare feet, even golf. But I do love to bring my flip-flops when I'm in my room and walk around. I think the snorkel speaks for itself because there are a lot of beautiful fish in the Maldives. And lastly, you need a nice dress to put on in the evening when you go to dinner or dance or anything. So those are the most important things you have to bring when you're going to the Maldives. So this isn't everything I'm going to bring to the Maldives, of course. Usually my suitcase is filled so badly that I have to sit on it to close it. But now I can only bring 20 kilograms, and the good thing is I don't have to bring any shoes, so I can leave all my heels at home. I'm making a series of videos about this trip because I'm really excited and I just want to show you guys. This was Packing Your Suitcase with Romy.